Over the last 2 months, we've planted a lot of seeds in our gardens, and some of these seeds, the greens, the spices, the herbs, need to be thinned out. Specifically our mustard right now. It looks great, it's growing quickly, but these will grow into big plants that are going to be a couple of feet tall, and all squished together, they're not going to grow to their full potential. So with mustard, we want to get these about 6 inches apart, and the best thing to do is just thin them out. Now, this is nice because we've got some nice young baby mustards. We can eat these leaves, throw them in a salad, do whatever you do with mustard. But in order to get the rest of the plants to grow to their full potential, we need to get some of these plants away. So we're going to thin these out to 4 inches apart, and then they'll continue to grow much taller. We're also going to thin out our carrots. And the carrots are very important to make sure you thin out. Now, carrot seeds, when you plant them, are tiny. You kind of just sprinkle them along a row, and they all grow up bunched together. If you don't thin them out, you're not going to get any roots developing, and you're not going to get any carrots. You're just going to have a bunch of nice looking greens. So carrots, you want about 2 to 3 inches between each plant. And a lot of these carrots are growing right next to each other. So we will thin these out. We're going to get rid of a bunch of carrots. There's nothing you can do with these, so we just throw these in the compost pile. And we're also going to thin out our arugula, radishes, turnip, and beets. Now, the arugula are very small, but they're ready to be thinned out. Actually, whenever the plant gets 3 leaves, that means it's safe to thin them out. And again, with the arugula, this is a plant, we want each plant about 4 inches apart, and they'll grow into nice, big, leafy greens.